Road to Olympiad.
Welcome to RTO. Consider the following problem. Let f of x be equal to x squared plus ax plus b be quadratic polynomial with integer coefficients such that absolute value of b is less than or equal to 800 and f of 120 is prime. Prove that f of x is equal to 0 has no integer solutions. One of the useful tools to deal with polynomial is the Vieta's theorems. We will see some application of Vieta's theorem here together with some other logical deductions to prove the statement. Pause the video if you like to give this problem a try, and when you are ready, keep watching to learn how to solve it. To solve this problem, we start by assuming to the contrary that the equation f of x is equal to 0 have integer solutions, say R1. Then we can factorize f of x in terms of R1 as x minus R1 times x minus R2, where R2 is the other solutions of the equations. By using the Vieta's theorems, or by expanding the bracket this way, we can deduce that negative R1 minus R2 is equal to A. And since both R1 and A are integers, it follows that A2 must be an integer as well. Next, notice that f of 120 is equal to 120 minus R1 times 120 minus R2, and this results in a prime number. Therefore, 1 of 120 minus R1 or 120 minus R2 must be equal to 1. In fact, it could be negative, so we can write that statement as 1 of the absolute value of 120 minus R1 or absolute value of 120 minus R2 must be equal to 1, and the other is a prime number, say P. Without loss of generality, let the absolute value of 120 minus R1 be equal to 1. This gives us R1 is equal to 119 or 121, which, in other words, R1 is greater than or equal to 119. Then, from the given conditions, absolute value of b is less than or equal to 800. So, we have absolute value of R1 times R2 is less than or equal to 800. Dividing the R1, we have the absolute value of R2 is less than or equal to 800 over 119, which is less than 7. Since R2 is an integer as well, we have the possible value of R2 are negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, and so on until 6. This gives us the absolute value of 120 minus R2 is equal to 1 of 114, 115, 116 until 126. However, none of these numbers is a prime number. This contradicts with the fact that the absolute value of 120 minus R2 is a prime number. Therefore, f of x is equal to 0 has no integer solutions, and this marks the end of our proof. Post in the comment below if you have any thoughts on the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. This will really help us out. Anyway, see you in the next video. Thank you.